Hello, everyone, and welcome to Birchberry. Today is brilliant with sunshine, and I have a couple of appointments in the city, so I thought I would take you along with me. But first, let's take Abby for a walk. I thought I'd show you some wild hazelnuts. Let's see if I can find one. See them just starting right there. Saw a few of them. Yeah, and there's another one there. So that's kind of cool. Hazelnut trees all over our property. I've decided to expand the garden. I originally had these plots in place, and I was just going to do wildflowers with a little bit of vegetables over here, and I have some rhubarb and pumpkin and cucumber over on the larger one, but I have since changed my mind, and we have bought a pile of blueberries. So the blueberries are going in here because this is where most of the sun during the daytime. This area gets most of the sun. And then I'm going to end up, this will be a walkway in here, It's going to have a trellis, and my climbing rose bush is going to go over that. So the walkway will just continue straight through to the table set underneath the cherry tree. And then I'll have this walkway up to this corner here, but I'll be connecting this end and this plot to that end. So it's kind of like a almost like a full rectangle, but with these two openings here and on the far side. So anyways, I will show you my progress as I work away here. So there's the new garden dug up, and all my lovely blueberries planted. And hopefully next year we might get a few berries off of it. But yeah, we wanted to do this early in the spring, but we just didn't have the chance to. So I'm really glad we got them in now. And my only little bit of flowers right now were the ones I managed to get into the ground before we left in May. So they're all just starting to bloom now. Just nice. Like to see some color. Of course, I'm an artist. Wow, that was a tree. Our property borders Crown land. For those who do not know what Crown land is, it's defined as land or land covered by water like rivers or lakes that's owned by the provincial government. This type of land is available to the public for many different purposes, from industry to recreation and research. The Crown land next to our property is for recreation. 87% of Ontario's Crown land is seen in blue. Toronto and the other cities in southern Ontario are down in the white. The small region of southern Ontario is the most densely populated area in Canada, with approximately 13.5 million people, which is about 36% of Canada's whole population living in this area. love this ridge line along here. It's just something about it. And that's the direction I'm going. So we'll keep walking this way. Mosquitoes aren't too bad right now. The trails are really muddy though. Like, crazy muddy. And this is one of my favorite areas right here. So you've got this ridge line to the west. And then I call this the cathedral because it is just pretty much birch trees everywhere in here. It's just beautiful. And this ridge line runs all the way up the side here. It's hard to gauge it with the camera. You can't really appreciate the height of it here. So, watch where I'm going. But yeah, it's one of my favorite spots to hike along in here. It's so peaceful. And I'm pretty sure something is in here. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, you can zoom in on this. No, not really. I'm pretty sure there's something in there. And then this carries on around the corner there, and we're almost to the lake. So I'll turn this off to give my hands a break from getting eaten by the mosquitoes, and I'll see you at the lake. Thanks everyone for being here. I really appreciate it. The mosquitoes and I bid you farewell. Until next time, take care.